Good evening everyone, welcome to Sapori di Casa. Today's recipe I'm gonna show you how to make risotto butternut squash. Simple and easy. This is a replacement for the pumpkin and I have reimagined. Here are all the ingredients and you will find the full ingredient card at the end of the video. We start by adding some oil, some butter, splash of oil to prevent the butter from burning. We'll drop the onions in. We let them come down. Once this is done, once they are nice and soft, we will be dropping in the rice like so. Rice is Carnaroli, but you can use as well Vialone Nano or Carnaroli. You need to be careful on stirring the rice, you don't want to break it. So as you can see here, I'll do very gently with a wooden spoon, or so you want to call it. I start straight away with the stock. Didn't like wine, didn't fancy wine for the recipe, but you can add a splash of wine. But for me, it was fine like that. I do make my own stock. Next, we proceed on adding the butternut squash. I have grated with the grater, didn't cut into cubes because that's what I had handy, and it will be quicker to cook and turn into cream with rice. Very delicious. This is just a trick that I use for this kind of vegetable. We continue to add the stock. Again, I make my own stock here. Simple carrot, onions and celery. I tend to buy them and once I use what I needed, I'll freeze the rest. Slowly we incorporate everything. We make a movement. Add a pinch of salt, a little bit of salt, because mind you, you need lots of stock and I don't put salt into the stock. Stir it gently. Some chili now, a lovely coffee spoon of chili flakes, dry chili flakes, to spice things up. It is good, there is that sweet and hot balance in between the two, which will be smoothed out with a bit of cheese. It's like creating a whole spectrum of flavor. Yeah, just gently turn it over. We let it cook. We are about halfway the cooking. I'm gonna speed up the camera here to create a bit of a modern cinematographic effect. We will soon arrive at the end of the video. We add the last bit of butter for a process called mantecatura, which brings everything together and make the rice and the stock in the creamy unison. Turn the power off, add a part of the Grana Padano cheese or Parmesan, is the same. I love that thing, the flipping over. That's called mantecatura. dish it up. As usual, lovely spoon. Sprinkle of Grana Padano, and now I'll let the main man do the talking.
Fantastic. Those smell fantastic. Let's taste it. Hot, bit of chili is kicking. Ooh. Ma tutto lì. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
Here we have the ingredient card for you guys. Thank you very much for staying with me, and I'll wish you a great rest of the week. Goodbye.